Hi guys, so today we're going to play speed draw in Roblox, and today we'll try to create the best drawings possible. Really, I will try to be on the leaderboard at least some 3 times. Yeah, let's just ask this guy. Huh. Let's actually get this one. This is fire though. Upgrade, no? I don't have brew books. Maybe I have one, but yeah, I almost don't have one. Victim? Ah, no. I'm just gonna wait for the team here. And at this rate, I'm just going to rate them normally, but on my round, I will rate them very low. If I'm not joining in there, I I'm I'm rating very high though. So let's just wait. Hold on, this is piano work. Hold on, I need a sound that. Yes. Hold on. I can just play them. I'm not going to step on every piano. Wait. And waiting time. Okay, let's pass the 1 second down. Okay. What? That is not an elephant. That is a unicorn. So because of that, oh, the stars. I forgot I'm not joining. What in the world is that? Wait, is that a blue 6-7 meme? Yeah, 1 star for that. I would rate to 0 if I were in this time. Wow! Nobody was 0 stars. Oh my god! That's so cool. How is that possible? Okay, let's just check. Okay, there's a lot of people now. Why are there just 2 players? Okay, now let's just go here. I'm a beginner though. I also remember my friend Justice TV is on artsy. Like this guy over here. So let's try to become that. What's this? Oh, famous. I want to be a skilled artist. Poodle? What is a poodle? I don't know what does that mean, but I will draw the closest thing that I think it is. I think it's noodle. I'm not going crazy. Wait, I can just use this. Oh, wait, what did that said? Oh my gosh, that would have been so useful. But anyway. Let's get this a bit darker. Let's color picker this. Where's color picker? Over here. Okay. I'm not sure why I did that, but let's just go noodles. I'm not crazy, guys. I'm actually. Yeah, I think it looks ugly. So let's just dude, the transparency. I hate it. I'm like spamming the noodles right now. Dude, this looks so ugly, man. I bet no one's gonna rate me. I want to add soup, but I cannot do it. So let's just wait. Rating time. I'm not sure how, but all of them just finished in like a second. Hold on. Am I the only player? Wait, I just showed the time. Wait. Okay, AFK. Don't I will report him. Don't tell me you're the only one. Yeah. Tell me he's 0 stars. Oh, 2 stars. That was easy. Why are there just 2 joins? There's 3 players and 2 joins. Let me actually invite my friends. Why is everyone unjoining? Let's invite every friend that I got right now. Zanye, Nabil Jago, Nekaknapso. This guy is unlucky. Wait, fish it. I know fish it a bit. It is online. Just join me. Halloween? I don't want Halloween. I still bet that I will win. But anyway. Okay, thankfully we can just move it. Let's actually make shapes. Let's make green. For triangle. Oh, why did I make it upside down? Then orange for square. Then violet for circle. Maybe you know what team I'm doing. Then let's make the rounded one. Actually, let's make it not rounded. Spooky bat? Why would I draw that, man? Maybe you get what I'm drawing in. Yes, this is just TV's favorite colors. So, if you are here watching right now, please comment, I love these colors. But, let me just submit. And done. What's this guy doing here? Yeah, there are more players now. There's like 6 players. I mean, I don't want to say how much players are in the server, but let's just rate. It's waiting time. Why is mine first? Yeah, probably, boy stars. 2 stars. If I'm not there, I will give him or her boy stars. What is that? 1 star just because you almost copied that. Just like I said, I rate low. Nah, 0 stars. Get this guy out of here. Man, what is that? 1 star. Wait, I got 25 stars. Okay, let's just go. And this will be on the top though. I told you. And this guy won somehow. Anyway, I mean this girl. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Anyway, at least I'm on the 3rd. Okay, last round begins. I mean 2nd last round, if I'm not mistaken. I got three moments that I'm on the top, so I should have no worries. And playground. Okay, I don't want to be copyrighted. You know what I'm doing, right? I'm just kidding. I'm gonna do a swing. Maybe I will also get a slide though. I should just kick him. There, let's color it. There we go. Let's also, oh, actually, let me just get grass. There. And, oh, I cannot zoom in. I forgot about that. But let's paint it. It actually worked. There's no way it just worked like that. That was easy. Okay, let's also paint this part. Then let's add some grasses. Then let's add a slide. Okay, I have enough time though. Let's just color it. Okay, let's add a mat so we make sure people doesn't just fall. Okay, that should be done. The slide done. Let's actually just color the sky. It's just easy. Undo. Thankfully, there's undo here. Okay, let's paint it. Then let's draw some lines. There, done. So now let's just wait. Voting time in 3, 2, 1, go. Very quick. Okay, of course I will rate myself. Just kidding, I will rate myself 3 stars. That's not a playground, but 1 star. I mean 2 stars. Yeah, 1 star. I forgot I'm rating low. But they're like having some fun. What is that? Okay, probably 1 star. I understand what is the playground. I can see the slide. But it's pretty ugly. Probably 2 stars. Be quicker. What is that? For the grass, 1 star. Okay, please. Yes! Oh my gosh, I'm on the first. And this guy is on the 3rd. Dude, how did you even won? That's impossible. So let's actually just draw a train. So let's just be quick here. Let's make the train red. Then I'm making this look so accurate. Then let's color it red. And the inside will be blue, 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 and blue, and blue. Oh, no, blue. What do you mean roller coaster? Let's actually just color this part yellow and yellow. Let's go. Let's paint the wheels. There we go. And then finally the walkway. I mean the railway. Let's try to draw 3D stairs. I don't know how to do 3D. That should be enough. Oh, actually, I just realized this is getting close and close. Let's go grab it one intermission. And I won. Yeah, those drawings are not very cool. Wait, we're all 10 stars. Yeah, I don't know why, but let's just open the pre-money like this. Okay, let's just earn my pre-money. Yes, thank you. So that's it, guys. Bye bye.